Hey everyone, it's Burgess. I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't entirely happy with last week's video that I uploaded. It didn't come out the way I was hoping it would come out. So I'm going to, in today's video, try again. Maybe try a different, maybe change up the scenery a little bit. So I've wet the paper again with clean water, and I'm going to put down yellow ochre, like that in the middle. I know something happened to that painting. It just didn't fit well with me, and rinse that out a little bit because I don't want the yellow ochre to mix with the ultramarine blue. And now I'm going to take ultramarine blue darken it up a bit more on the edges there. I don't know what I'm sort of planning with the sky. I just want it to look a little bit different, and I wasn't happy with the painting at all. As I said, have a look, and makes me cringe actually. And now I'm going to go in with some Payne's Grey. This one is starting to shed. Just take that hair off there. Maybe just to make it look a little bit different. Just darken some of these areas on the sides here. And now I'm going to let that dry. Now I've got some Payne's Grey and burnt umber, and I'm going to put a sort of a mountain in the distance here. In the distance there, and then we're going to add, I think that needs to be straightened a bit, and then I'm going to work on this side, and for this I'm going to use Payne's Grey and burnt sienna, or even black. You can use black as well. Let's use black too, and I'm going to put something along here. There. I'm going to try and do as little scraping as I can because, I feel that I think I'm over scraping. Yeah, I think so. I feel like that. We can add more dark here. And what I would like to do is put something along here, like take this bulldog clip out. This is more like, I don't know, I think I'm happier with this a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I might, I'm wondering whether I should scrape something, I don't know. I've got the card here. I'm going to do it very carefully here. I just want to create some shapes. Nothing. Yeah, this is better actually, isn't it? I hope, anyway. That's it, no more scraping. And what I'm going to do is add the same color that I've got there on this side as well. And now what I want to do is, using the same mix, I'm sort of working with sort of a limited colors here. And what I want to do is add a sort of a tree here. Let's just like that. And we can maybe add a bit of variety. And on this side, I want to add sort of a semi-similar thing in the distance here, so we can let it come all the way down here like that. Similar to the last painting in a way, some of the colors, but slightly different. And I want to darken that a little bit at the end, in the middle, sorry, at the base. Just a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the rigger as well. And now what I want to do is take some burnt umber and black, cut the brush a little bit, bring the hairs back, and what I want to do is create a tree right here and go all the way up there to the sky. dry like that. I think a bit more. I don't think we can, I wonder, yes, we can scrape off a little bit here. And some there, not too much. And we can go in with the rigger as well, and we will in a minute. And this way, what we can do is scrape on the left, and then we can go back in with a little bit of colour there. Yeah, like that. And then I want to do the same thing, similar tree, on this side. Oh, let it dry first. We don't want that getting all muddied. Actually, you never know. Let's try it. Let's put the we have that. Let that dry. And now we're going to use the same rigger with the same sort of mix and put some. Okay, let's take a little bit of blue. Right there, like this. Okay, we're going to finish off. We're going to continue with the rigger and add some branches to the tree, and they're going to be short branches. Okay, just keep adding these. Okay, and now we're going to, since that part looks dry now, I'm going to make the same sort of mixture, burnt umber and some dark burnt umber, and the tree here as well, maybe sort of coming at an angle like that. Take the card again and see if we can scrape without scraping off the there. Some of it back, and we go in with the rigger again, and just same sort of branches. Oops, I think it's too much there. And here. there. And since we're at it, we could just add a bit of sort of texture to the grasses and things. And just do little stones protruding, and now we go in with the reflection there. Oops, forward. Okay, can take that off here. The dark one here. And I'm gonna put a few reflections here. It looks like it's coming in from the trees above, and it's branches here. Like that, and we're going to finish off with a bird. And what I'd like to do is just add maybe a couple of posts here, one here maybe. Let's need to have it darker. Maybe a post here. Here. Maybe one there. One here. And there. And just put its reflection in there. Just to let it show up a bit more. Funk. And now we finish off with just one bird, I think. Let's call him Fred. Okay. And let's have him coming in. Where should we have him coming in? Maybe along here. So here's our final painting. I am happier with this one actually. I think the key to the painting is not overdoing the scraping. I mean, I put it here because I just wanted to give the sloping mountains, the sloping sort of hill, a bit of form. And this side I wanted to leave pretty much alone with a couple of scraps, couple of rocks and things. So that's what the key is. I do hope that you enjoyed that. If you did, do consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.